Hello everyone, I am Sahil Parmar, data scientist and business analytics intern at Sparks Foundation. I have successfully completed my third task, which is as a business analytics. You have to find, according to report, you have to find the weak areas and work on that weak areas so that you can get more profit. For that, I am importing some necessary libraries, pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. Uh, Here are the glimpse of our data, which is supersamplestore.csv, which consists of columns, ship mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount, profit, etc. Uh, the shape of data is 9994 rows, 13 columns. The columns which are present in our data set, as I told before. Now, which factors now comes to the analysis? Which factors affect the sales? So, for each and every factor, for that I have used a group by function with each and every factor to compare with profit, and it will give us the mean value. So, here are the it will give me the segment and the mean profit mean. So here you can see home office appliances are where give more sales, and consumer is gives the less sales, which means personal customers. Now here is the graph for the same. For consumer, it will give less profit compared to the others, corporate and home offices. Now comes to the sheep mode. How sheep mode affects the sales? So in standard class, it will give the less profit as compared to others. Standard class has the highest profit also, but it is also gives the less profit also. Uh, then first class gives more than same day and second class shift. Now comes to the postal code. According to postal code, the region and the city has the sale profit. Uh, for me, this graph for plotting the graph of postal code is very tough. That's why I am not plotting the graph of the same. Now comes to the region, which region gives you the highest sale. So here from the graph you can see, yeah, you can see here central region gives the more profit and sales to you, while uh, compared to others, east has also uh, east gives you the less profit compared to others. So now comes to the city by city is also a very tough analysis, so that I have not plot the graph, but I I can show you the numbers. So here city by city it will give the sales report in form of mean values. So yeah, you can see. Now comes to the state. This is the analysis of the sales state by state. Next, next is discount. Discount gives uh, also affect the sales. If you give more discount, then it will give you less profit. If you give and if you give discount in a limited manner, it will give it will give you profit. Or yeah, so here the discount values, and here is the mean value of profit. So yeah, if you don't give discount to customers, your profit will increasing. If you will point 10, then you have 96.05 is the your profit. So here you can see in the graph, you can see here when your discount is low, the profit is high, and when your discount ratio is increasing, the profit is decreasing. Now category, which category gives you more profit and which category gives you loss profit. So here you can see the graph, the in the all kind of categories you have same profit as well as say same loss here, same profit and same loss here. Now comes to the subcategories. There are subcategory can be the major factor that affects the sales. Customer want which products more, which products less. That's why I am creating the pie chart of the subcategories. Yeah, here you can see the copiers are the most wanted subcategories in the market. Then chairs, appliance, art, binders, etc. Copiers gives you the more more profit. Move to the next. Now next is sales is directly proportional to profit. If your if your sale is high, your profit will automatically increases. Now quantity also matters in the sales and profit. If customer buys in the product in more quantity, it is obviously your profit will be increasing, and if the quantity is less, you can't get that much profit. So here you can see that quantity and profit and ratio for this ratio of the profit. So I have conclude that as we can see from the above analysis, sales is mostly depend on region. The city and states belongs to that uh, region the say and the subcategories of the region, subcategories of the product is more affect the sales. So that as a business analytics, from this data you have to work in easter areas, uh, and work and try to get more profit in easter areas, and try to product more on your each and every categories of the of your product. So thank you so much, thank you everyone for hearing listening.